How to lock Instagram with Face ID on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can lock Instagram with Face ID on iPhone. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So to lock your Instagram with Face ID, what you'll have to do is just head over to the Instagram icon, long press on it, and there you will see require Face ID option. Tap on it and simply select require Face ID. After you do that, whenever you're trying to use your Instagram, whenever you try to open it up, you'll have to go through your Face ID. And yeah, that's basically how you set the setting. Now if you want to remove it, all you have to do is do the same process. Long press on it and select don't require Face ID and you're good to go. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.